Recipe ChickenTeendy Take chicken meat, take teendy sabzi, take onion, garlic, ginger, take tomatoes, green chili, take dry masala, take cooking oil. Chicken and sabzi washed, onion cut, garlic, ginger cut, tomatoes cut, green chili slice cut. Take a pan. Add cooking oil, as per choice. Add cut onion, as per choice here according to chicken and sabzi. When onion brown, add chicken meat. Well brown. Add dry masala, salt, red chili, turmeric, mixed garam masala. Add tomatoes, green chili. Add ginger garlic paste. All well cook. Add sabzi. Covered even cooking all is over. Sabzigosht ready. Serve with roti, chapati. Tasty.